The $10,000 challenge? You can do it. Saving $10,000 in a year may seem daunting. It's a big goal, but it's absolutely achievable. Thousands of people have done it. With a solid plan and the right mindset, you can too. It's about making smart choices and staying committed. You're capable of amazing things. Let's make this happen. Think of the possibilities. That $10,000 could be your emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or the seed money for your dream business. It all starts with a decision. Decide that you're worth it. Decide that you're ready for financial freedom. This is your year. Breaking down the mountain into smaller, more manageable pieces. Reaching your goal, one step at a time, is the key to long-term success. $10,000 in a year breaks down to about $833 per month. That's still a big chunk of change, isn't it? But what if we break it down further into smaller, more achievable goals? $208 per week, $29 per day. Much easier to handle. Suddenly it feels much more manageable, right? You can do this. Small changes add up over time, creating big results. Cut back on daily expenses like that daily latte or snack. Pack your lunch instead of eating out. It's healthier and cheaper. Look for deals and discounts. Every little bit counts. Track your progress diligently. Celebrate your wins, big or small. Remember, consistency is key to success. Don't get discouraged if you have a setback. It's part of the journey. Just get back on track and keep going. You've got this. Stay motivated. Trimming the fat. Finding extra cash in your budget. The first step to saving is knowing exactly where your money is going each month. Track your spending for an entire month without missing any details. Write down every single dollar you spend, no matter how small. You'll likely be surprised where your money is actually going and how quickly it adds up. Identify areas where you can cut back significantly without much effort. Can you reduce your grocery bill by meal planning and buying in bulk? It's worth a try. Negotiate lower rates on your insurance or cell phone bill. Unsubscribe from unnecessary subscriptions that you don't use. These small changes can free up a significant amount of cash each month, making a big difference. Remember, this isn't about deprivation or cutting out all fun activities. It's about being intentional with your money and making smart, informed choices. Choose to spend on what matters most to you and brings you joy and satisfaction, and cut back ruthlessly on the rest without hesitation. You'll be amazed at how much you can save with these strategies and how quickly it adds up. Money-making missions, side hustles to supercharge your savings. Want to reach your goal even faster? Consider a side hustle. There are countless ways to earn extra money in today's gig economy. Drive for a ride-sharing service, deliver food, or walk dogs. Use your skills to freelance online. Offer your services as a virtual assistant, writer, or graphic designer. Turn your passion into profit. Sell handmade crafts on Etsy, teach online courses, or start a blog. The extra income from a side hustle can make a huge difference in your savings journey. It's not always easy, but it's definitely worth it. Every extra dollar you earn is another step towards your $10,000 goal. Stay consistent and watch your savings grow. The sweet taste of success, real people, real savings. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the stories of real people just like you. People from all walks of life are achieving incredible savings goals every day, transforming their financial futures. Take Sarah, a single mom who saved $12,000 in a year by selling handmade jewelry on Etsy. Her dedication and creativity paid off. Or John, who paid off $10,000 in credit card debt in 10 months by driving for a ride-sharing service on weekends. These are just a few examples of the amazing things people are accomplishing with dedication and a solid plan. Their stories prove that it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and how wisely you manage it. It's about making a decision to take control of your finances and create a better future for yourself and your loved ones. With the right mindset and strategy, you too can achieve your financial dreams and goals. Start today, change tomorrow. Your $10,000 journey begins now. Saving $10,000 in a year is a challenging but achievable goal. It requires commitment, discipline, and a willingness to make sacrifices, but the rewards are well worth it. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with having a solid emergency fund. Picture yourself finally being able to afford that dream vacation or down payment. The power to change your financial future is in your hands. Start small, stay consistent, and don't give up. Your future self will thank you.